Bounding past these gates, generations of boys have entered, hailing from the world over to learn her secrets. To the pride of garnet and gray, legions of men have left, off to change the world. But all roads lead to her. On these hallowed grounds the bell rings, bouncing from the greats of old, Cushing, Venable, Morton, Atkinson, Bagby. Through every season tolling, rain or snow, you can bet her pledge is true. Set the professor's standard in the bane of others' alarms. Ne'er to be missed, in haste most go. Her song is simple, her cry is heeded. For her students, her voice carries over the rooftops. To class, to class. But those men who have left, she bids warmly, come home, come home. And still she rings.